Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Vanguard Van 81 error in League of Legends. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta find the Riot games right here, or Vanguard. If you can spot it, just right click and exit. Okay. Now, once that's done, right click on the blank space on your taskbar and click on Task Manager. Now, in here, just gotta find the same thing. Okay, find Vanguard. If you can spot it, right click on it and click on End Task. Now find Riot Games, again End Task, as well as League of Legends. Okay. Now, again, if you can spot one, just right click on it and click on End Task. Now, once everything is done, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down Services, just like so. Click on Services right here. Now go ahead and find the system called VGC. This one. So you're going to want to double click on it. Now go ahead and go to Startup Type and drop down, click on it and just select Automatic. Now go ahead and click on Apply. Click on Start. Wait for the process to finish. After that, go ahead and click on OK. Close this one. And after that, go ahead and check League of Legends and it should work now. If that still work, go ahead and go to your Start menu right here. Right click on it and click on Installed Apps. Now go ahead and find Vanguard. Click on the three dots, click on Uninstall. Again, Uninstall, okay? Just uninstall Riot Vanguard. Now go ahead and open up Riot Client, and it will ask you to update League of Legends. So go ahead and update League of Legends. And after that, once the update is done, it will require you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart your computer. And once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix Vanguard Van 81 error in League of Legends. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.